I am in my bathroom and I just wanted to show you that I have this Method antibacterial bathroom cleaner in spearmint. Open this in focus for you. I don't know if you can see that real well. It's trying to focus. And I sprayed that all in my tub. Now, I think I'm going to try the Grove or Mrs. Myers or something next time. This still, when I spray it, it still kind of takes my breath away a little bit. But I thought I would just show you. I just get a sponge, wet sponge. This is just an old, like, sponge you can get anywhere. Sponge like this. Now Grove does have those really nice sponges you can get from them, and I save those for my kitchen. I just use these cheap sponges in my bathroom. So this cleaner does work really well. I like it. But like I said, the smell is still kind of strong and harsh, and it still kind of takes my breath away. But it cleans pretty good. I used to always be a fan of the scrubbing bubbles. So I still got some of that. But I was having trouble with that really choking me. I've got my fan going. See, I don't have a window in the bathroom. Got my fan going. And the door's open. And I only sprayed enough to just get in here and clean. And then see, I mean, even some of it washed away when I turned on the water. I have a really hard time trying to clean my tub because of my back and my legs. I can't get on my legs. Then it hurts to bend over. But my husband and I, we take baths every night. So I have to keep that tub clean. Especially for me, being a female. So I'm always having to clean it, and I need to keep it chemical free, or I will get an infection. But yeah, it cleans nicely. Yeah, that's all there is to that. And I don't know if you can tell. I'll move you in a little closer. The lighting is horrible in here, but it shines nice and clean. Yeah, our tub looks terrible though. See, it's nice and clean and shiny. And it smells good. But the scent is a little overpowering for me. So I might want to try one of the other cleaners. I think I might want to try either one of the Grove or the Mrs. Myers. But I've used about half this bottle, so. Now I thought I would do, I wanted to try out this, I just got this, the Method antibacterial toilet cleaner. So I'm going to try that out. And then I also use the Method antibacterial spray and everything. But let's see, can y'all see? Okay. We're just going to squirt some around in here real good. Tell you what, that other's so powerful. And there. Brush. You see, my toilet's kind of nasty here. So it needs good cleaning. I'm a real stickler about keeping a bathroom clean. Okay, I can smell that. That smells really good. We have such hard water here. We get a lot of, hard water stains up and around in here. That's what we get in our tub a lot, is the hard water stain. It's so hard to clean that. I'm always looking up under the rim to see if I get it out. And I usually use gloves to clean with, especially with chemicals and all, but I just wanted to see how this reacted to my hands without gloves. Looks like it cleaned up really nicely. So let's clean the rest of the toilets. How this works. Back. Yeah, that spray is really harsh on me. It's real nice. And clean now. So I guess you'll just have to see if how you like it. And I'm gonna clean my sink real quick here. Already got some in it. Move y'all over here. Mrs. Meyer's lavender candle I'm going to be putting in my room tonight. Try that out. So, yeah, I like these, oops. I like these. They clean well. The scent of this is not as strong as this one. This is very overpowering to me. But I'll keep using it. But I think I'm gonna, as soon as I'm done, I'm gonna try something else. I won't purchase this again. I'll purchase something different for sure. It's just way too strong for me and my asthma. But they have a lot of other cleaners. I think I'll try like the Mrs. Meyer's or the one of the Groves or something. But I don't care for this method. Now this is okay. This isn't as bad. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you and my thoughts. And appreciate y'all watching. Y'all can tell me what y'all's thoughts are in the comments below if y'all have tried them. And let me know what y'all think. And if y'all have ever tried any of the Grove products. And if not, I'll leave a link down in the below, and y'all can click on that. And right now you can get what am I trying to say? You can get some free goodies for starting out, and they have like their spring scents out for certain things. So yeah, you want to go check out Grove and click on that link. So thank you for watching, and